What is up, Crockett family? We are back, and today we're gonna be giving you a tour of our new car. So stay tuned. Let's get it. And so before we get into the video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for more of our content. All right, and now let's get into the tour. So we're just gonna give you a tour on the inside of it now. And so Mel is gonna do the back part of the car. So here we go.
Let's go. We have the back seat. Here we are, guys, in the back seat. So you can see there's a lot of room up here for my legs. Take a look for yourself.
But we have cup holders for the bottles and stuff like that, and it's a pretty big back seat. No, not that big, so I mean, but it's a pretty good size. We have the trunk. It's a really big size trunk. As you can see, it's a pretty big size trunk. Can fit almost anything back here. Anything.
Let's find out.
Okay, she's gonna get inside. Go ahead, Mel. Even Mel can fit back there. Look at her in the trunk. You having fun? You comfortable back there?
Yeah, fine.
They can't run in the car. As you can see, this is the front seat. We got everything in here. Looks really nice. I think it's really nice. All right, guys, that is our new car tour. So we appreciate you guys enjoying it, looking at it. Hopefully you guys like the car. And make sure you guys hit that share link below, please, to share our channel. Share our channel with everybody. Everybody you know, it don't matter. And make sure you guys keep liking, commenting, whatever. Make sure you hit that subscribe button as well to keep chilling with the Crockett's. Peace out, y'all.